guys, what's up? It's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new and you've checked out a couple of my other videos, you popped in because you saw this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the fam and join the club because we love to have you. So yeah, today's wig video is from a company I have never worked with before, and this company is ReadyWig. So they are a synthetic wig company if you are not familiar with them. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and do an install and a first impressions. So right off the bat, I love the box. I'm a stickler for packaging. How you package your product tells me how you care about your business, how you care about your products, and the people who you're sending it to. So I love that this is like a hard cardboard box. Yeah, packaging means a lot to me. So when you open the box, there is a hair care card. So pretty much it's like some tips of how to prevent tangles, maintenance, and yeah, you know, just don't throw it on the floor. Wig caps. So you get a pack of 2 wig caps, which we all need wig caps. You also get a spray bottle, which I've never gotten a spray bottle before, and I'm actually really happy I got a spray bottle because travel size things are necessary. And last but not least, the unit itself, which is this copper wig. So let's go ahead and take it out the pack and shake it out. So this is the hair color. This is actually a really pretty color. Peep the eyeshadow, peep the wig. Yeah, it feels really soft. There's not a lot of tangles just like amongst doing this. And it's actually a curly unit. So let me go ahead and pop this paper out because y'all can't hear me. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can show you guys the color up close too. Can you guys see that? So this is what the color of the wig looks like up close. So this unit is, let me turn it inside out, a 13 by 6 synthetic unit. And you guys can see the amount of parting space here in the front. There's also a comb here in the middle, which I really never have used those combs. 1 in the back, and then of course 2 on each side, and then your adjustable strap. So off the bat, it seems like a really good quality synthetic unit. It doesn't really have much tangling. It's very soft, and the lace is very soft. Sometimes you get synthetic units, the lace is a bit thicker and a bit hard, so that's a plus there. And also the hairline on this unit is not bad at all. When I put it on, you'll like be able to see it better. But it's supposed to be a pre-plucked hairline, and I think it's pretty pre-plucked. So I'm not gonna go in and do any extra plucking because I want to see what this wig would do straight out the box. Let's see. Ooh. All right. Let's see. Let's put this clip in and. So this is pretty much what it's looking like, and I'll comb it back so we can see, like, fixing my mirror, so we can see like the hairline on the wig. It's pretty, like, what do you guys think? I feel like it's pretty good. It's pretty good of a hairline, I'm not even gonna lie. The color, I thought it was gonna be more, have a little bit more like of a reddish tint to it, but it's not too bad. Yeah, I thought the color was going to be a little bit more red. Alright, so now that we have it on, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the install process so we can get the unit on, tack down. It's glued down. Of course the lace isn't the color of my complexion, so what we're gonna do is start with baby hairs first, creating some of those to try to mask this hairline. Now it didn't come with any baby hairs, so we're going to, oh wait, maybe it did. It did. Okay. Alright, so we're going to comb these down and then, of course, trim them. Ooh, I'm so glad they did. Yes. I'm like, because I don't see none. Okay. Is there any over here? No. Okay, so maybe they're just baby hairs, not around the perimeter, but just in the front. But I don't think we need a whole lot. So yeah, we're gonna like split this. Okay, okay, okay. You go back there. And we stay up here. Okay. Alright, so these are the baby hairs that it came with. You can see like the shorter hairs here, and then I just got some extra hairs in here that I am going to, of course, clip and create some baby hairs along the side. So, and I cut mine in like this up and down motion because I don't want them to all be the same length. Now my lash is coming off. Alright, so if y'all hear that noise, it's my computer. She's now hot. But while I was waiting for my lash to dry, I went ahead and cut the baby hairs on the opposite side. And then I'm just going to take my Got To Be glue in black. And I like to put it on the back of my hand. And get these baby hairs together. So I'm just going to... just going to go in with my Black Radiance palette, and I'm going to just lightly see if it'll make a difference on the lace by filling in a couple of spots. I don't think I necessarily need to now that the baby hairs are laid, but I just wanted to test it out for myself. And I don't know, I'm not really seeing it make like a huge difference. So there goes that. But as you guys can see, this is what the parting is looking like in the middle. You can definitely see my wig cap. So I'm just going to go in with my handy dandy concealer in the color Chestnut by Too Faced. And I'm just going to take this angled brush, and I like to wipe it on the back of my hand as I'm like doing it, because sometimes I can get a little carried away. So I'm going to start with the back and then just swipe forward. Alright guys, so this is our finished look. I think the unit turned out pretty well. This install went pretty smooth. The hairline was pre-plucked and it was done really good. Other than the shininess of the hair, I think that it is a great texture. It's very soft. It does not tangle. It does not shed. So yes, I honestly would purchase this if I were you. The wig retails for $58.99, which is really good. And I have a discount code down below. So if you guys want more money off for back to school, getting ready for fall, definitely check out the description box so you can get your coins off. I'm going to show you guys the length of the wig before I forget. It is a 24-inch wig. So it's a 24-inch wig and I'm 5'5". So there's your height to length ratio on me. It stops like literally right at the bottom of my shirt. And yeah, I think that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see a tutorial about how I style this wig, because we have 13x6 parting space, so we are able to do some more with this wig, let me know, comments box, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.